Hey my glow getters! Welcome back to Glam Guide today. I'm about to reveal a magical DIY that will give you that stunning natural glow. No chemicals, no fancy products, just pure skin love. Ever wondered how to get instantly bright, glass-like skin at home? Tired of dull skin and dark spots that refuse to leave? Want a face mask that works for all skin types, even kids? Say goodbye to dullness, uneven tone, and pigmentation. Boost your skin's natural glow in just one use. Hydrates, brightens, and slows down aging, all naturally. And today, I'm revealing a 100% natural, super effective DIY beetroot face mask that K-beauty lovers swear by. This mask will give you an instant rosy glow, deep hydration, and anti-aging benefits, just like an expensive salon facial. Then stay with me, because this beetroot face mask is going to transform your skin, brighten your complexion, and give you that dreamy, rosy glow. Drop a in the comments if you're excited, and don't forget to hit like before we dive in. Let's get started. Step 1, the star ingredient, beetroot magic. Let's start with our hero, the vibrant beetroot. Beetroot is not just a superfood, it's a super skincare ingredient. It's packed with vitamin C, fades dark spots and boosts skin radiance. Antioxidants, fight premature aging and wrinkles. Natural pigments, give your skin a healthy pink glow. Hydrating properties, leave skin plump, soft and dewy. 1. Take 1 fresh beetroot, peel off the skin, and grate it finely. Now I'm squeezing out all the rich, vibrant beetroot juice with my hands to get every last drop of its goodness. Why? This juice deeply nourishes, brightens, and detoxifies the skin, reducing dullness instantly. I'm not letting anything go to waste. I sun-dry the leftover residue and transform it into a powerful beauty ingredient for my homemade ubtan powder. Why beetroot? Beetroot is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamin C and iron, a total skin superfood. It reduces pigmentation, boosts collagen, and gives your skin that healthy pink glow. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tried beetroot on your skin before? Step 2, the perfect texture with cornstarch. Next, we add 1 spoon of cornstarch to our beetroot juice and mix well until smooth. No lumps allowed. Why cornstarch? Cornstarch tightens the skin, controls excess oil, and locks in moisture, making your skin look fresh and youthful. Cornstarch is a natural oil balancer that helps in tightening pores, reducing excess shine, and leaving your skin baby soft. Plus, it gives our mask a luxurious, creamy texture. Step 3, cooking for maximum benefits. Now, let's take this mixture and heat it on a low flame, stirring continuously. Soon you'll notice the color deepening and the consistency becoming thick and creamy. Once it reaches a pudding-like texture, turn off the flame and let it cool for 5 minutes. This step activates all the ingredients and ensures the mask spreads like a dream on your skin. Pro tip: heating helps activate the ingredients, making them absorb better into your skin. Step 4, nourishment with coconut oil. Now let's add 1 spoon of coconut oil and mix it all together. Why coconut oil? Coconut oil locks in moisture, brightens dull skin, and protects against sun damage. It also reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Coconut oil is a skin saver. It deeply moisturizes, repairs damage, and protects your skin from dryness. Plus, it boosts collagen and keeps your skin soft and glowing. Tell me in the comments, do you love coconut oil in your skincare routine? Step 5. The hydration hero. Aloe vera. Add 1 spoon of fresh aloe vera gel and mix well. Why aloe vera? Aloe vera soothes the skin, reduces redness, fights acne, and deeply hydrates. It also boosts collagen for anti-aging benefits. Aloe vera is like a tall glass of water for your skin. It deeply hydrates, tears, soothes, and fades pigmentation while making your skin look plump and youthful. No more dry, lifeless skin. Step 6. The Glow Booster. Almond oil. Let's add a few drops of almond oil for that next level nourishment. Why almond oil? Almond oil reduces pigmentation and evens out skin tone. It makes skin soft, supple, and youthful. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, which helps reduce dark spots, fine lines, and dullness, giving you radiant, youthful skin. Plus, it makes your lips soft and pink naturally. Step 7. Add vitamin E oil, anti-aging, and healing. Finally, add 1 spoon of vitamin E oil, or squeeze 1 capsule, for a powerful anti-aging boost. Why? Vitamin E fights free radicals, repairs skin damage, and reduces wrinkles. Mix it well. And our DIY beetroot face mask is ready. How to apply. Apply a generous layer on your face, neck, and even lips. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and relax. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for dreamy, glowing skin. The results. So what can you expect? Instant brightness and glow, hydrated, soft, baby-like skin, reduced dark spots and pigmentation, a smooth, even-toned complexion, and the best part? It's 100% natural and safe, even for kids. Plus, if you have dark lips, this mask will nourish and lighten them for that natural pinkish tint. How to store. Pour the mask into a clean, airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 to 7 days. That's it, my glow queens. Your DIY beetroot face mask is ready to give you that flawless, radiant skin. Have you tried this or any other beetroot DIY before? Drop a comment below. Your support means the world to me. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It truly keeps me motivated to bring you more beauty secrets that actually work. Your likes, comments, and shares are the fuel that keeps this channel growing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on amazing beauty tips. Let's glow together. Like, share, subscribe.